Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with Gaugegirl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, I am going to give you my top picks for fall from Fashion Nova. So let's get started. So fall is one of my favorite seasons because you can add a lot more versatility to your outfits. You can layer, you can still have nice style. And I wanted to show you guys the items specifically that I've picked from Fashion Nova this fall. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys is this navy dress. All right, so you can see that this dress has a higher slit and the fabric itself is a nice like suede type of a feeling. It is such nice material. Now the neckline here, it's kind of like an empire waist and you can wear it as open or as closed as you wish. Now it is very nice, it's long, it comes down like right above the calves, which I like, but it's just a very nice fit. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. I really like the shape. It's so comfortable. It's definitely comfortable. And the nice thing is you don't need like a special bra for it. You can wear a regular bra because this type of, you can see where it is, it would be very covering. I'm a huge fan of this dress for the fall. Highly recommend it. Again, you can wear it with a blazer, you can put a sweater on top of it. It's just a really nice versatile piece that can be dressed like more conservatively for work, or you can, make it a little bit more sexy for like a dinner. All right, it is not a Fashion Nova fall haul without some denim. So I am rocking these amazing jeans. I am obsessed with their jeans. These aren't as high-waisted as a lot of the other jeans of theirs that I use, but it is so cute. It is got these rips in here. I feel like this is thicker than a lot of their other jeans. Obviously you can wear a belt. I am wearing a size 7 in these jeans, and I just want you to see like where it is on the navel. This is also a Fashion Nova top. It's a very basic top of theirs that I have in several colors. It goes with absolutely everything, but these jeans are just a hit. They have some tears in them. The thing I like about them is the tears, if you look closely, it's not too much that like your skin is like popping out of them. It's just enough to add a little bit of style and flair, but they are so comfortable. You don't need a belt with them, but you can wear it for style, but super cute. And honestly, you guys, if you have not invested in Fashion Nova jeans, you absolutely positively just need to get on it. There are no better jeans anywhere on the internet, anywhere in your mall that will fit your body like these. They are very true to size. So if you're gonna get some Fashion Nova jeans, read the size chart because it is very accurate. So do the measurement for the waist and hips and you will be spot on where you need to be. If you're not sure if you're in between, go up a size because they are fitted. All right, the next piece is this ribbed dress. I'm going to show you guys the full view in a second, but I wanted to first just show you the texture. It is like 2 layers, so it's nice and thick. It is not too thin. Now you can wear it a little bit like more open on the shoulder, but I prefer to wear it like all the way up like this. I want to show you guys the back because it does drop low on the back. But it's nice if you want to like show off your back muscles. And first of all, I'm obsessed with the colors. It is very longer in the sleeve and I just love this color. It goes with everything and it's just such a nice staple for your wardrobe for fall. So it is more body conscious. It's going to like showcase your curves. So you need to be a little bit more like okay with that happening. It isn't too short. You guys can see my fingertips are here and it does come down longer than that, but this would be nice with like a high-heeled boot. You could do a knee-high boot, you can do a bootie, you can do a high heel. Lots of options. If this is too open in the back for you and too open in the chest, it's nice and plain, so you can like really add lots of accessories. You can do a scarf. There's lots of different things that you can do, but I just absolutely love this dress. It is such a nice staple piece for fall. I highly recommend it. And again, I really love this fit. So now I wouldn't be showing you fall fashion without some sweaters. This is this nice like mossy olive green colored sweater. It is like a cardigan duster. It's got these pockets. I'm gonna stand up in a few and show you guys, but I really wanted to draw attention to the texture. It's this like really nice knit. It is very high quality. It is like a Chanel, but this goes with everything. It's warm, it's cozy. See how like this like super dressy dress just like got took down a notch to casual by putting this now. The pockets are here so you can see them. So it's nice and long. It comes down to like mid calf so you guys can get an idea, but I am here for it. I love, love, love sweaters like this that you can just live in and just make your life so comfy, so cozy. These things are the types of sweaters that you could literally wear every day with everything. Like, so I'm just such a huge fan. It's nice and open, slouchy. Again, I'm wearing a medium. It does have the sleeves rolled up a little bit. So it's not gonna be like the type that you have like your hands in, but again, I love this sweater. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. All right, so I have so much to say about this next outfit. This is a set. It is a velour set, and it is giving me hardcore juicy couture vibes. I'm not sure if any of you guys had those juicy suits, but it's like a nod to that, but way better, and I'm gonna explain why. So first of all, the design has this ruching down the sleeve, so it gives you that thing where you can like tuck your hand in the sleeve look. It ruches through the zipper, and it's a crop top, first of all. So this crop top alone is so cute. I would wear this with jeans. I would wear this with a sports bra. I would wear this with so many things. So it's got a hoodie. Not too many of you guys wear them, but just know it's there. It's super cute. Now, the pants. It has this in like so many colors. It's true to size. It's a medium. It's not too tight, nothing crazy. It's a higher waist, so you can see like my navel is here. It covers that. It has ruching here in the side. It has ruching all through the leg. It's hard for me to show you guys the bottom. Let me like move the camera. But the bottom is so cute because the pant leg is very long. You could actually, for my short girls watching, you could actually wear a wedge sneaker with this. You could wear boots, but I think it would look cuter with sneakers. And it comes down, so that way you can still actually look tall in the outfit. It just elongates your body. So cute, and I am a huge fan. I want one in every color. So comfortable if you want to treat yourself to a nice loungy suit for fall. All right, so for this next piece, I did something different. Not something I would typically order, but I tried this one-piece romper. So it is long sleeve. First of all, the quality is nice. I really like it. It has a very unique back. As you guys can see here, it's crisscrossed. I do have a strapless bra on. So if you are gonna wear a bra that crosses anywhere around the midsection of your back, you will see it, unless you have one of those crazy bras that come down low, which I don't have. So that's one like kind of con. Now, it is very body revealing, so it would be really hard to wear this just by itself. So I'm gonna stand up and show you guys what I mean. So it's literally just like a one piece. It's cute, it's long, it's fitted through the ankle. Now, you could just like lounge in your house in this, but I feel like it would be kind of tough to go out wearing just this. I feel like if you did, you would need like a belt. You would need something to like draw away from some of like, it's just very body revealing here, as you guys can see. But again, it's cute, it's comfortable. It's super awesome if you just want to be warm in the house. But I think it would be tough for me anyway to wear this out. But super cute. If I did, I'd probably wear like a high-waisted, some high boots with it. But it is very warm, very comfortable, and a very nice quality material. Now, I would wear it out with this pumpkin-y cardigan. So it looks like just a big robe. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. So first of all, can we just see how nice and big and slouchy this is? I'm all for big ass sweaters like this. And if you just need some affordable, loungy clothes where you wanna be like comfortable but cute, this would look great with jeans, with boots. like just chilling in your house with a cup of coffee. Like, look at how big these sleeves are. All right, now I'm gonna just get up, show you guys a 360. So there are pockets here, but this comes down to about right above my calves to mid calf. You can obviously wear it closed like this. It's got a nice belt, but it is just big and comfy and just wonderful. And because of that, like this, I would wear this with this because you have like a piece to pair with it. So super nice pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall haul, especially these sweaters, you guys. They are a steal. They are so affordable. They are so comfortable. They have them in every color. You just definitely need them for the fall and winter, especially if you want to be cute while at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Comment below which pieces were your favorites. See ya.